Imagine a belief system that shapes not just how you live, but how you think about existence itself. It's more than religion, it's a philosophy, a way of seeing the universe. What if the essence of who you are and why you're here was explained in just a few simple yet profound ideas? Stay with me, because once you hear this, you'll never see life the same way again. Hinduism isn't just one belief. It's a combination of ideas, questions, and answers about life, death, and everything in between. What makes it unique is that it doesn't tell you what to believe. It gives you tools to figure it out for yourself. And at the center of it all are a few core principles that have guided millions for thousands of years. Let's break them down.
First, there's Brahman, the foundation of everything. Think of it as the source, the energy behind all life, every thought, every action. It's not a god or a person. It's the essence of existence itself. And here's the twist. Hinduism teaches that this ultimate reality isn't just out there in the universe, it's also within you. It's called Atman, your true self, your soul. And here's the profound connection. Hindu philosophy says that Atman and Brahman are one and the same. The soul within you is the same as the ultimate reality. The journey of life is about realizing this unity.
So, if Atman is the ultimate self, why do most of us feel so disconnected from it? Let's explore that next.
Have you ever felt like life is a series of repeated lessons? Hinduism takes that literally. It's called Samsara, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. And here's the kicker. Your actions, or karma, decide how that cycle plays out. Think of karma as the universe's way of balancing the scales. The choices you make, they ripple out, not just in this life, but in the next.
And what happens when the soul finally transcends this cycle? That's where the idea of moksha comes in.
If samsara is the cycle, the ultimate goal is moksha, freedom from that cycle. Imagine breaking free from endless reincarnations and reuniting with Brahman. This isn't about escaping life. It's about transcending it by understanding the true nature of Atman and Brahman. But here's the big question. How do you live a life that moves you closer to this freedom? And how do you even know if you're on the right path?
Before we answer that, let's talk about the guiding principle that makes this journey possible, Dharma.
This brings us to Dharma, your purpose, your duty, your way of living in balance with the world. But here's the challenge. Dharma isn't one size fits all. It's personal. It depends on who you are, where you are in life, and even what the world around you needs. It's not just about doing good. It's about doing what's right for you and the bigger picture.
And that's where the beauty and the struggle of Hinduism lies. How do you live a life that aligns with these principles in a world full of distractions and challenges? These ideas, Brahman, Atman, Karma, Samsara, Moksha, and Dharma, aren't just concepts. They're tools. Tools to understand yourself, your purpose, and your connection to everything around you. And the more you think about them, the more you realize. Hinduism isn't about what you believe, it's about how you live.
If this perspective made you pause and think, share it with someone who loves asking life's big questions. Let's start a conversation about what truly connects us all. And if you want more insights that challenge and inspire, make sure you don't miss what's coming next, because sometimes understanding the world starts with understanding yourself.